signs you are dating a mature man. Number 1, he will cut off any female that threatens his relationship with his woman. Number 2, he is able to admit when he is wrong. Number 3, he prefers to say, "Baby, I'm busy, but I will call you later," rather than 8 hours with no text back and a sorry-ass excuse. Number 4, he calls you back after an argument just to remind you that no matter how difficult things get, he isn't going to leave you. Number 5, he doesn't try to pressure you into doing anything you're not comfortable with. Number 6, he texts or calls you to make sure you got home safely. Number 7, he genuinely thinks that the most attractive thing about you is your mind. Number 8, dependable. He's consistently reliable in his commitments and actions, building trust in the relationship. Number 9, respects your independence. He supports your individual interests and social life, understanding that personal space is vital for a healthy relationship.